gone a time, and we just couldn't get it right. I wish somebody would have told me that everything would change. I'm finally seeing it clear, and I know just what you are. I wish somebody would have told me that the bed feels warmer than it ever did when you were by my side. And now I don't have much, but baby, now I got my pride and my stride and my hindsight. Hey, I'm 20/20 in hindsight. And boy, you let me down, but I got up all by myself. You helped me live and learn that I don't need nobody else. Hey, through the hard time, I'm 20/20 in hindsight. In hindsight.
Whether it's a special occasion or just a family dinner, nothing says celebration like a healthy, non-cake dessert. Make this delightful wobbly Jell-Os as a surprisingly easy dessert for the occasion. These gluten-free vegan peach coconut Jell-Os are a wonderful treat. They're as bright as they are tasty. The lightly sweetened texture of the layered Jell-O complements the fruity peach and coconut flavors. This stunning make-ahead, cool, jiggly, and totally healthy dessert is a stress-free way of wowing your guests. Serve those delicate desserts of bursting peach and coconut flavors with a cool, bubbly, sparkling water. The ingredients of our gluten-free vegan peach Jell-O layer are the following. The ingredients of today will also be placed in the description below. 1 liter water, 1 canned sliced peaches, 400 ml light syrup from the canned peaches, and 1 pack orange seaweed extract gelatin powder. In a pot, place in the following: the water, the syrup, and a gelatin powder. Whisk till the powder is dissolved. Then turn on the fire and set it to medium heat. Bring the mixture to a boil while continuously stirring. Then lower the heat and let it simmer for an additional 3 minutes or till the mixture slightly thickens. Then turn off the heat and let it cool a little. Prepare a mold tray or individual serving shot glasses, but any mold container of your choice will do. Place and arrange a layer of sliced peaches on the mold, then pour the peach Jell-O mixture on top till the mixture covers the peaches. Use a spatula to guide the flow as you pour the mixture so the peaches will stay in place. Then set aside to cool down in room temperature. Pour the rest of the mixture in other molds or in shot glasses for individual servings. And while the peach Jell-O is cooling down, let's prepare the coconut Jell-O layer. For the ingredients of our coconut Jell-O layer, you will need the following: 1 liter water, 400 ml coconut cream, half a cup coconut sugar, and 1 pack white seaweed extract gelatin powder. In a pot, place in the water, coconut sugar, and gelatin powder. Whisk till the powder is dissolved. Then, turn up the fire and set it to medium heat. Bring the mixture to a boil while continuously stirring. Once the mixture boils, lower the heat and add in the coconut cream. Simmer and stir for an additional 3 minutes. Then, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool a little. Once the peach jello is a little firm but not fully set, run a fork slightly on the top to make the coconut layer easily fuse together. Then pour in the coconut jello mixture till the rim, then set aside to cool in room temperature. Pour the rest of the mixture in shot glasses as a second layer, then leave them to set in room temperature. You can place them in the fridge to shorten the setting period. And once the jellos are nice and firm, you can transfer them from a mold onto a serving platter, bottom facing up. Then top them off with diced peaches and serve. This glamorous, easy-to-make peach and coconut flavored layered jellos is a combination that will surely capture any occasion and an elegant way to end the meal. What's a perfect, lightly sweetened, stylish dessert without the fizz of a glass of sparkling water?
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos. Before we end, please don't forget to share this healthy recipe and check out my other easy and healthy recipes on my playlist. So that's it for today. Till the next one, happy eating!